So, I've been asked to do this multiple times, and I'm finally getting to it, to remake a video of my hiccups. I don't know if they'll do it again now. I just had hiccups for like 5 minutes. There we go. Today is the first day we've had power since Saturday. We had a storm, a very big storm, a freak storm. It's still really cold in my house, and I really don't like this, and I'm sick, and I don't like being sick. I just got over it like 2 weeks ago. Fuck this shit. This is crap. The day before Halloween it snowed. Halloween got moved to November 5th. Like, what the fuck? I was supposed to go as Elmo this year. Elmo. That's fucking cool. I'm listening to Bowling for Soup right now. Does anyone even, like, remember that band other than me? And I'm listening to the song Hooray for Beer. Fuck, I have hiccups. I don't know what else to say. Does this cover it? Is this enough hiccuping? I have goldfish. Goldfish. I bet this whole video is out of focus, isn't it? I don't know. Yeah, I bet that whole video was just out of focus. This is the first video I'm gonna make in a really long time. I think I'm done. Yeah. Good luck to anyone else who still doesn't have power because of this shit storm. And I'm jealous of all of you who didn't lose power. And, I'm jealous of all of you who had power before I did, because it is Wednesday and I just got power. And it was out on Saturday. And I know I sound like a little whiny brat. I mean, it could be worse, but it was fucking cold, okay? I'm not used to cold. Okay, I'm done. Bye.